Assalamu alaikum class 6, how are you? I hope so all of you are fine. Well, in start of the lecture I want to clarify something from you that many of you are sending me your work but unfortunately it's not up to the mark. जैसा काम आपको करना चाहिए आप ऐसे नीट एंड क्लीन काम करके मुझे नहीं भेज रहे। बहुत रफ राइटिंग होती है जिसका मुझे कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है एंड लिटरली बहुत से बच्चों को मैं काम दोबारा करने का कहती हूँ, वो इसी वजह से कि काम उतना प्रॉपर नहीं होता जैसा कि उसको होना चाहिए। Your work should be very proper, your work should be neat and clean, and you have to use the markers, you have to use the margin lines, you have to utilize all the things to make your work more beautiful and attractive. As I try to make my video more attractive, so you should try to make your work more attractive. So next time you have to promise me that you will do your work with full attention and full enthusiasm. Okay. As for my voice, you can understand that I am the geography teacher. My name is Miss Nabila Imtiaz, and today we are going to do a very interesting question which is about a very great blessing of Allah Almighty. अल्लाह ताला ने हमें बहुत सी नेमतें दी हैं, ऐसा ही है, और हमें इसके लिए अल्लाह ताला का शुक्रगुजार भी होना चाहिए। इस चैप्टर में एक रॉक दी गई है और इस रॉक को हम रोज़ाना देखते हैं। कैन यू गेस व्हाट इज़ द रॉक? We can see it in our homes, in our schools, in our buildings. Any guesses? No? Okay, I'm going to tell you. We are talking about marbles. So today we are going to do two questions related to this rock. The first one is question number 10. Draw the margin line and start writing your work. It is basically a tabular form, or you can say it is a flow chart of the marbles we found in Pakistan. Question is give a tabular overview of the marbles found in Pakistan. ठीक है, पाकिस्तान में मौजूद जो marbles हैं उनके हमने नाम लिखने हैं. I have written the names in the bubble and you are having 6 sort of you can say different kinds of marbles found in Pakistan. Okay, and you have to write down the names of these marbles and then in the next सेशन ऑफ द लेक्चर, यानी कि अभी जो हम अगला इसका पार्ट करेंगे उसमें आई विल एक्सप्लेन दीज आउट एंड यू हैव टू राइट डाउन ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. आपने ये सब कुछ लिखना है. ओके ओके द फर्स्ट थिंग इज ग्रे माइकलएंजेलो मार्बल. ग्रे माइकलएंजेलो मार्बल. द सेकेंड फॉर्म इज ब्लैक एंड गोल्ड मार्बल. आई विल प्रेजेंट यू द pictures of these marble as well so that you can easily understand the difference between the marbles. Pakistani onyx marble. Then on 4th, which is Verona marble. On 5 there is Ziyarat white marble, and on 6 this is Pakistani white marble. Okay, here are the 6 basic types of the marbles we find in Pakistan, and now I am going to tell you the explanation.